Hello students, welcome to accountancy class. I am your account teacher Gurpreet Usan. In this video, we will discuss how to calculate the cost of goods sold. First, you can see the formula of cost of goods sold. In this formula, you can see that there are four different types of things. First is opening stock, second one is purchases, third is direct expenses, and last is closing stock. Now start with opening stock. Opening stock is a stock of goods at the beginning of the accounting period. The second one is closing stock, the value of the unsold stock at the end of the accounting period. It is known as the closing stock. One is purchases. It refers to the total amount of the goods which are obtained by the business for the purpose of resale. It includes both cash and credit purchase of the goods. Remember two things which are not included in the net purchases. The first one is purchase return and the second is trade discount. No doubt student, you think about what is trade discount. It is a concession given by the supplier to the buyer on the invoice price of the goods. Second remember point, the purchase of any assets such as machinery, furniture, stationery should be separate account is maintained. Because machinery is the asset of the company and it show in the balance sheet. The next one is direct expenses. It refers to the expenses incurred for the goods and making them for the sale purpose. For example, freight, carriage inward, carriage on purchases, wages, etc. Now student, you can see the direct expenses. I will tell you one thing. You can see that wages and salaries. Remember that if the question is given wages and salary, it is known as the direct expenses. But in case the salary and wages is given in the question, that time it is treated as indirect expenses. Now start the question. From the following information, calculate the cost of goods sold. Opening stock rupees 20,000, net purchases rupees 2,12,000, direct expenses 5,700, closing stock 17,000. Now start. First thing is remember that you can write the formula because it's a 3 marks question, so it is mandatory to write the formula. If you cannot write the formula, so sometime the examiner deduct your half marks. Now put the figures in this formula. Opening stock rupees 20,000, net purchases rupees 2,12,000 plus direct expenses rupees 5,700 minus closing stock rupees 17,000. Now the answer is 2,20,700. Students, you can see that in this formula I am use some short forms like OP stock is opening stock, CL stock that means closing stock, and COGS is the short form of cost of goods sold. I hope student you like this video. Thank you.